There is a big change coming to foldables, and it looks like Samsung is changing things again in a quiet way. Anthony says that the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is going to be one of the best foldable upgrades in years. It will focus less on big changes and more on small improvements that make everyday life easier. Samsung seems to be focusing on making the core experience better this time. A bigger 5000 mAh battery should give you more use for longer, and fast charging cuts down on waiting time, so you can keep your day going without stopping. In terms of style, things are getting better. A new metal display plate with laser holes, and 2 layers of very thin glass point to a folding screen that is stronger and lasts longer. One of the most common issues is the crease, which should get a lot smaller. This will make the screen feel smoother and more natural when you use it every day. There are also big improvements in performance. With Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Elite for Galaxy, the device should offer faster performance, better efficiency, and a truly flagship experience for all tasks, from games to multitasking. On the camera side, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor should make pictures clearer and more detailed, especially when it comes to scenery and group shots. This will give regular photographers more options. The shape is another thing to think about. It attempts to be the thinnest foldable gadget possible while still being useful, measuring only 3.9 mm when opened up. Samsung is almost ready to release 3 new folding phones this summer: the Galaxy Z Flip 8, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Large. ET News says that Samsung might not use its newest display technology this year. Instead, the M13 OLED material that we've seen on other foldables for the past 2 years is likely to stay on all 3. In 2024, it was first seen on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. I find that a little strange, since Samsung already has a better display material called M14 that is used in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It is said that the newer screen is brighter and uses less power, which is important on foldables where power and visibility are always a problem.